you need to check for asbestos before you start any work. Ignoring this could lead to serious health risks. Are you thinking about renovating a property that was built before the year 2000? Then please stop. You need to check for asbestos before you start any work. Ignoring this could lead to serious health risks, legal penalties and unexpected costs. Asbestos was commonly used in architects on ceilings, flooring, pipe insulation, roofing materials. When disturbed, those fibres can become airborne and cause severe lung diseases, including cancer. So how do you check? Well, you need a professional asbestos surveyor who will take samples from key areas and send them off to a lab for testing. There are two types of survey. Management survey, which costs between £200 and £400, something like that, and is used for general maintenance and occupancy. But the one you're going to need is a refurbishment and demolition survey, which costs typically between £400 and £800 and is legally required before any renovation and demolition work actually start. It is not, oh, my mate Bob from the pub says it'll be okay. It is a legal requirement. If asbestos is present but undisturbed and in good condition, it may potentially be left in place with a management plan. However, if it's damaged or at risk of being disturbed by the renovations, it must be removed by a licensed contractor. Removal costs can range between a few £100s to thousands, depending on the actual scale of the work. Once the asbestos has been removed, the company will genuinely issue you with a clean air certificate, which indicates to you, future tenants or the buyers of the property, that the property is free from asbestos. Skipping this process can be expensive. Failing to carry out an asbestos survey can lead to fines of up to £20,000, and in serious cases you can potentially go to jail. If asbestos is found mid-project, work has got to stop immediately, leading to delays and unexpected costs. Without a clean air certificate, you may also potentially struggle to sell or rent the property in the future. If you hire a refurbishment manager like myself, this process will be taken care of for you. But ultimately, the responsibility still falls on you as the property owner. Make sure that this is done correctly. Stay safe, stay compliant, and get an asbestos survey before you start any work.